Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to connect Trust Wallet to Metamask. So if you want to connect your Trust Wallet account to Metamask and do not know how to get started, then do not worry, this video is for you. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to connect Trust Wallet to Metamask. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to connect your Trust Wallet account to Metamask, first of all, install Metamask application on your mobile phone. So after you install Metamask, go ahead and tap on the Metamask application. Now tap on the only option that is available, that is Get Started. Now tap on Import using Secret Recovery Phase. Now all you have to do is tap on the phrase that has been provided to you while creating your Trust Wallet account. So go ahead and enter that phrase. Guys, make sure to tap in the phrase using space for each of the phrase, and then you are done. Now tap on New Password and create a new password for your Metamask account. Now go ahead and tap on Confirm Password box and then retype your password which you just typed in order to confirm that. Now you can even check in the option of unlock with Touch ID. If you want, go ahead and tap on that option. If you don't want, leave it as it is, and then you are done. Go ahead and tap on Import. Now it says automatically check for security update. So you have two options available, whether to enable automatic security checks or tap on no thanks if you don't want it. So for now I'm gonna go with no thanks. So that's it, guys. This is how you can easily connect your Trust Wallet account to Metamask. So it was the easiest way to do that. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.